Hey, this is Jimmy, Lonestar Roofing and Contracting. Today we're installing some new solar vents, the new Innovated from Four Seasons. It's a new product. It's really fabulous how it works. Just basically in just any type of light, you can see how it's already activating, so we save energy on your home. We do both commercial, residentials. We do free estimates. It's a great product. Now we're offering this free to our customers for any new roof this time. It's a great product. Real excited about all the new innovative things we're using to do your roofs. Thank you.